Brody's playing with Dixie, but I don't think Dixie's playing back. Brody! Hey, Bubba! You saying hi to everybody walking by? Brody! Hey! Hey, Bubba! Dixie's had it. He's calling for Dada? He's on his way home. Brody. Hi. Hi, baby. Dada's not out there. This has become our toy corner. Brody, you're gonna poke that screen out. Brody, why don't you walk around? Why don't you go cruise around? There he goes. Oh, maybe not. It's really sunny today. Oh, back to that spot. Back. Oh. Who are you talking to? Brody. Here, we'll get his attention. Brody.